This is why I completely stopped using Patreon. And if you're trying to monetize your YouTube channel in 2026, you should stop using it too. Most creators think that Patreon is the gold standard for building a paid membership. You make YouTube videos, you send them to your Patreon, and you have a thriving community. But here's the brutal truth. Patreon isn't helping you build a community. It's actually killing your engagement because the moment your members log on to Patreon, they're being bombarded by other creators they follow. You're literally paying Patreon to let you compete for your audience's time. When I moved my members off of a distracted platform and onto a more focused, engaged platform like the Skool platform, my engagement skyrocketed. I've got clean analytics, direct line to members, so I can keep my engagement in my community on point. So in this video, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of my Patreon account versus my Skool account. I'll show you exactly how Patreon is probably losing you money and how I gamify my community, and give you some information on how you can set up a profitable community from scratch. Enough of my jibber jabber, let's get into the video.
This is why I quit using Patreon. Now, imagine if you have a Patreon group and you send your member over to Patreon to interact with your community. This is the first thing I come to. Let's say I'm looking for Ian Herbert. Well, first of all, I have this guy that I'm following. Oh, then I have this guy that I'm following, Ducky. Okay, and then I have where is the group that I'm interested? I want to see Ian Hubert's group. No, that's not okay. After scrolling through this feed, I don't even see the guy that I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, here he is here. So I click on him here on the side here, right? Okay, now I'm finally in the group that I was basically here looking for. Now, as a member, like, shouldn't they just automatically be on this page immediately? Like, why do I have to click here to interact with Ian? Like, this is his group, right? Why am I getting, like, why do I have to work so hard, right? I click on my home page and you're getting every other person that you're following. Is this a way to build a community? Now let me show the alternative. This is why I quit using Patreon, because I was sending my members to Patreon and they weren't interacting with me because they're getting distracted with every other person they're following on Patreon. So this is the alternative. This is what I did. So when my members come to interact with my community, this is immediately what they see. I have these blurred out to protect their privacy, but they immediately pop on the page, Octane for Blender. And this is what they immediately see: the feed, what's going on, the latest news right here. They can interact. They can come in here, do their post, see posts that other people have interacted with. They can go to the classroom, getting things that we've curated. We've got our calendar, right? Updated live events and stuff like that. Our members, here's our members scroll, a map where members are at that are in this community with a 10-mile private radius. So if you want to do a meetup, I know I can do a meetup. Our leaderboard, everything is gamified. Like, who's the most active from 7 days, 30 days, all-time leaderboard. And then our about page, if they're not a member, this is what they come to become a member. They see this here, again, focused on what I want to show them, versus we come here, we go to our home page. Well, first of all, I have to log back in. Versus this, I click on home page here, and this is what I see, a feed of everybody's stuff. But I want them to see just my stuff. Like, let's look at the difference between home feeds. Home, okay. Come back here, home, this is home, okay. You see the difference as far as building a community? Chat, okay, here's the chat. We go to click on chat. Well, if I'm in a community, if there, who am I chatting with? What community am I chatting with? We were getting like everybody's stuff. When you build a community, you want them to be focused on your community, not everybody else's community and yours. You're competing with all of this, right? This is doing a community post versus doing a post for the community. Here, I want to do a post, a community post. What do I want to post on? Well, first of all, I can just come here and just click there. Boom. I can make my post, select my categories, right? Post a video, post a link, post attachments. Members can't do this, but I'm administration, so I can do polls, add emojis. Again, for me as an administrator, I can send mass emails. That's how easy it is to set up a post. Drop links, drop videos. What else do we got here? Notifications. Oh, I click on notifications. Well, not too bad, right? We get our notifications. Here's everybody's notifications from all the groups that you follow. Notifications for me. I click notifications. Here's all the groups that I'm following. But hey, I just want to focus on my group. Well, that's okay. I can come in here and say just this group. Boom. Now only notifications from just this group. mentions. Did somebody mention me? Comments, just the comments, right? Follows, requests, new posts, recordings. I got all this control of notifications. Notification control. I don't see any here at this moment. I probably have to dig for it. Purchases. All right. Well, these are things that I've purchased from members on Patreon, right? I've purchased this course here. At least it shows up here, right here. Okay. But since I purchased this, shouldn't I just be already like, directed straight back to his group? So I'm already like I have to click on it, but like I should already be right there in his group. Okay. Purchases for me. If I go and change the view as an administrator to see what it looks like for members who are maybe free members in my community right here, non-members, I'm going to go to the classroom. This is what they see as a non-member. They get this stuff for free, right? Here it is, premium. Well, I can charge them. They click on this. They want to unlock it. They can unlock the premium. Easy as that. Okay. This is unlocks at level 2. I've set this to unlock at level 2 for free members who do a little bit of an engagement. You get a reward. You unlock this free Blender Octane setup file just by reaching level 2. How do you reach level 2? You post a post and somebody comments on your post, you get a point. It's very simple. It's very clear as day. We come here to our leaderboard. I've set these levels here where I can basically unlock certain things for community members who've achieved this level. One thing for me that I like to do, any member gets to level 7, they get a free lifetime membership. Here it is. You can see the breakdown. If you reach level 2, you can get a Blender Octane free scene file or Octane on YouTube, right? How do you get points? Easily. As you make a post, you get 1 point for every person who likes or engages with your post. As easy as that. Level 2, that means 5 people liked or either engaged on your post. Very simple. Well, I can easily jump from community to community right here, which is easy, but why is it so hard to get to that? There it is. I can jump into my communities. I want you to think about this as not as you are the owner, but you as a member of a community. Why are you're competing with all of these other, as a member, my attention is being pulled. As if I click homepage, it's being pulled between all of my other members other groups that I follow. Like this feed, like I don't like this. As a community owner, I want my group to be focused on my community, not everybody else's community. You see where I'm coming from on this? And we also got the explore tab where we can explore other communities, which is pretty self-explanatory, right? We have that also on Skool. If I come up in here, again, we're still keeping our focus on the community that the group is in. They are in my community, so that should be. But if they wanted to go out and explore other options, they can easily come through here, discover communities. Now they can come out here and start buy hobbies, money, all the other ones here. Okay, now they can jump around and explore other communities. But also as a community owner, it is extremely easy to set up payment systems for how I want to charge my members. We have people who are charging monthly. Some are charging free communities. Some are charging, one-time fees. Some are charging. We just have many options on what we can do. Just to quickly show you, if I jump back into my main community and I click in here, another thing, like look at this analytics that I'm getting versus Patreon. I don't even know if there is. I mean, I know exactly where my members are coming from. Signups, YouTube, 55% are coming there. Direct, meaning these are coming most likely from direct emails. Skool network, from the actual network. Instagram. This lets me know where I need to focus my time on. Well, if I have 55% people coming in from YouTube, I should really start to buckle down on YouTube, which at one point I was focusing on Instagram, which is only 6.3%, right? I've got conversion rate. What is my rate converting? Well, look at this. Skool network's almost converting at 41%. MRR, basically I'm able to set up 7-day free trials. People can join, and if they want, they can basically pay to come in. I've got growth, members, seeing my member count, MRR, monthly reoccurring revenue, engagement levels. This is also active for every community. You can see how active the community is involved. Green means like one of these here, it means like right there. You can see how many activities were going on. Yesterday in my community, we had 24 activities, meaning somebody either liked, commented, or made a post. Retention, I can see how long people are staying. But this information is still valuable information that lets me know what I need to do. How long are people staying for? What's the threshold? Once they get past a certain threshold, I know that they're, after 2 or 3 months, they're most likely going to stay. Pricing. If I come over here to pricing, I've got all these different price models. Join for free. I can do monthly charging and yearly charging. I can do a freemium model, meaning like they can join for free, but they only have access to certain things. Then I can do a premium model, or I can have a VIP model. I can do tiers, different payment tiers. I can do a one-time payment fee. This is just some of the small things of why I quit using Patreon and started using the Skool platform. If you are a 3D creator on YouTube, or you make content on YouTube and you're trying to monetize your audience, stop using the old form of Patreon because it's not the most efficient. If you want to build a real community, this is how a community should look, not like this. Like this doesn't, how is this community? All you're just showing me is what I get. You want to build an active community. I really feel in 2026, it's not Patreon. It's really not Patreon. And it's definitely not Discord. But I'll get on the Discord comparisons in another video. If you guys are interested in something like this, links down below. I have a free school that I'm opening up. I'll teach you guys how to build your platform, or basically how to build your Skool platform. And I'll do it for free just to get you guys up and started. Links down in the description if you're interested in the community, or if you're interested in starting your own Skool community.